Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
And I'm David Ivey, and this is Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series we're bringing you about safety products and how to use them. This week's question is, can I attach my lifeline to any one of the D-rings on my harness?
In short, no, you cannot attach your self-retracting lifeline or your connector to any of the D-rings on your fall protection harness. Each D-ring has a different use, so it's important to be properly trained on what each of the D-rings are used for.
Yeah, and some of our harnesses here at Multidynamics have up to 6 different attachment points for some sort of a lifeline device or positioning device. Your back D-ring is rated for a fall. If it has a front D-ring, it's also rated for a fall. We have some on the shoulders that are only rated for rescue. We also have some on the hips that are only rated for positioning. I'm sure there are others with even more attachment points, but your user manual is going to point out exactly what each attachment point is used for and also what's restricted.